How to perform double strokes on Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to move this strokes panel and go down. Let's say I have written the stroke. Then you have to go to the FX option, and then you have to go to the blendings option. As you go to the blendings option, over here there is an option of stroke. You have to find it. So in order to find the strokes option that is not present over here, if you are not able to see the strokes option, you can go back, and in time you have to go back, select the layer, select the text again. Now you have to go click on that, double click. Now there is an option of stroke over here. So this is the first stroke that I'm going to create, and as I have created the first stroke, a normal one, then I am going to hit OK. Now I am going to make this or rasterize this, make a copy of this over here, by clicking on Control C and then Control V, Control C and Control V. Now go to the first one and make it a smart object. As it has become a smart object, then now click on it again and go to FX and blending option. As you click on all the blending option, go to strokes, and now you can add a double stroke over here. And the second stroke, I am going to go with a different color, let's say purple, and hit OK. Now as I have hit the purple stroke, now again, so it now have double strokes. So this is how you can put double stroke on any object. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.